Today, we are read from Matthew 5, 43 to 48. Under the day say Moses did write say, love on the neighbor and hate on the enemy. But this is what me I say. Love on the enemy them and pray for the people them where treat on the bad and make on suffer. When you do that, you will come in just like on the Father where they are heaven. You see how we make the sun rise up and shine upon wicked people and good people? And the same so he make rain fall upon people where do a right in him yai and the one them when you listen what him say? After all, if you no uncle love the people them will love you, why you no go get out of that? And if no uncle tell for no people them how they, why you no would do so when nobody else no do? Eh? Down to the wrong door them do that. Not true. So hear me now. Una no fi uncle good sometime and uncle to some people. Nobody no fi have nothing bad for say about uno. Tan just like uno Father when in heaven. Him good all the while. To everybody. And nobody can say nothing bad about him and attack truth. Matthew 5, 43 to 48.